In this tutorial, we will see menu bar and what all options are available. As we can see or learn already, there are different sections of QB64 Windows. So I am starting from here. When you click here, it shows QB64 version. Stable release from Git. Okay, so this is version information we can see from here. Okay, what is this? 236. It means your cursor is presently on the line number 2 and column is 36. If I move to line number 1, 136. If I move here, you can see it is changing, right? 1 1. Okay, and this is area. If you click here, it will expand, and this is the place where we can find. Let's say I am typing RAM. So wherever this is, it will put cursor or it will take you there. Okay, and we can scroll up and down and right to left, left to right from here if our programming code is big. Now, file, we have already seen use of new open save as, and these are the recently open file, and this is exit. Edit, we know undo, redo, and shortcuts are Control Z, Control Y, cut, copy, paste, clear, select all, toggle command. We will learn about this toggle command, add command, remove command later. Increase indent and decrease indent, or new function, subfunction when we will be moving to advance. Or let me see if I, this is the line and I want to toggle command means this will not be a part of program. This is comment, right? This is comment. This is nothing to but this is just for information purpose. Okay, and then view. Again, we will not see here, but you can see here this hide line number. You can see this hide line number has gone, and again show line number. So we can clearly see on which line we are working or we are referring. This is background color, show separator. If you click here, it will show separator here. This is on and off kind of thing, right? And if we click on this background color, okay, then search is again, this is again advanced kind of thing, or we can type from here the go to line if we have a multi-line program. So we can directly see presently a cursor is 1, line number 2. If we say go to line number 1, so it is on line number 1. Okay, and we have already seen this start. Presently we are using only F5. Okay, and then option display IDE colors, code, language, backup, undo, advanced, syntax, cursor after paste, syntax. So these are for advanced, and again this for advanced purpose. But here I will show you one IDE color. Here you can set the color. Just click on here normal text. So when we are using normal text, then this color will be this. Keywords, this keywords will be like this. Numbers, strings, it is showing what color presently we are using when we are using keywords, numbers, strings. And meta command and custom keywords, comments. Presently you can see this is a comment color showing. So whenever we see this a color of this line, we see okay, this is commented part. This is background color. Background means this color you can see here. We can change current line background when we are on any line. So you can see here background color. Again I am going back here and bracket selection highlighted when we are using brackets. Okay, so this way we can modify and change the look and feel of this QB64, and we have seen what various types of tools are available or options are available in QB64 menus. That's all for this tutorial. Thank you very much.